Looking for some small tech to keep with you while on the go to keep all your devices charged? Then you are in luck. Today we got the smallest metal car charger by AINOPE. Welcome back everyone to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those bells if you'd like to receive notifications. It's a really good way to support the show and keep up with all the latest content and sweet deals. Today's episode is brought to you by AINOPE. We've got a small metal 2-port USB charger that goes in your car. And if you would like to take a look for yourself, make sure to use the links located in the description. Along with some very nice premium USB-C cables that come in a 2-pack. We have the links to these as well, so make sure you check them out in the description. So this is the smallest metal car charging plug with 2 USB ports. The input voltage is rated at DC 12 volts to 24 volts, with the output voltage rated at 5 volts, along with your output current setting at 4.8 amps, and that is the max output. All built into the size of a 1.7 inch by 0.9 inch USB car charger. I mean, this is built to last, and speaking of keeping your things built to last, you also have multiple protection from currents, overcharging, overheating, and high temperature, definitely guarding all your devices for safety. This plug is definitely impressive, and I've had no problems getting my Pixel 3 to fast charge when I'm in the car. I've also paired it with one of the cables that they offer in the 2-pack, which I gotta say is excellent. And paired with their cables, I have no problems getting so many devices to fast charge. Not to mention that I typically end up using the 2 ports that come with the car charger over the one that actually comes in the car. And of course, it's also a bonus that it gives me a total of 3 USB ports for charging when I'm on my road trips. That really does come in handy when charging other USB devices while traveling in your vehicle. Once again, be sure to check out this car charger for yourself. It's a pretty gnarly piece of tech for USB charging. We have all of our links located in the description if you'd like to check it out, along with a coupon code that will save you an extra 20%. So make sure you jump on that deal and grab those savings before it's too late. Along with these 2-pack USB-C premium cables, I really do get the extra length of durability using these cables over others. I would highly recommend to look into them. They do really great with all of my devices, whether it's from a car charger or battery packs, or just using it with a normal wall outlet. And with USB-C being pretty much the standard now, you have no worries about future-proofing yourself and having yourself plenty of durable cables to last you through all of your devices. And so far, I've had no issues with any shorting out or not fast charging any of my devices. Not to mention, if you're picking up one of these chargers, it is definitely recommended to grab you an extra set of cables. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and get in those comments. Let us know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the bell if you like to receive notifications. That wraps it up for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.